Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you record scrolling on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to record scrolling on iPhone or iPad, you need to just go to your settings. Now after going to your settings, here you can see control center. Just click on control center, and here you can see in the included controls there is screen recording. You need to just choose this from this plus icon. If you find this here, just click on the plus icon beside screen recording and you will see the screen recording is here. Now after that, just swipe down in the top right side, and here you can see in the bottom left side the screen recording is turned on. Here you can see I'm currently recording this video by screen recording. You can record scrolling on iPhone by doing this. So guys, hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Avro. Thank you very much for watching the video.